Hello students, in this video we will see one more example of infix to postfix conversion. We have a infix expression 5 plus 3 power 2 power 3 minus 5 by 2 plus 4 into 3. Here you can see we have two powers. As I told you, powers are solved from right to left, so we have to take care of this thing while conversion of infix to postfix. So first step is push an open bracket into the stack and add closing bracket at the end of the infix expression. Then we scan infix expression from left to right. The first input symbol we get is 5, which is an operand. We simply have to add this 5 into the postfix expression and we get plus. As plus has higher precedence than open bracket of the stack, so plus will be pushed into the stack. So we have performed push operation. Next is 3, which is an operand. We have to add it into postfix expression. Next is power. As power has higher precedence than plus operator, so we have to push it into the stack. So power will be pushed into the stack. Next input symbol is 2, which is an operand. We have to add it into postfix expression. Next is dollar. Here you can see dollar and dollar both have same precedence, so here we push this dollar over the dollar of the stack. Suppose here we have an input symbol minus and there is plus into the stack. As minus and plus both have same precedence, then minus cannot be pushed over plus. First we have to pop plus, then we can push minus into the stack. Because both have same precedence. Same precedence operators cannot be pushed over each other. This is wrong. First we have to pop plus, then we can push minus. Similarly, in the case of multiplication, if there is multiplication in a stack, and the input symbol is division, first we have to pop out the multiplication, then we will push division into the stack. But in case of power, if there is power at the top of the stack and input symbol is also power, both have same precedence, so we can push this power over the power element of the stack. So this you should remember. Now the next symbol is 3, which is an operand. We have to add it into postfix expression. Next is minus. As minus have lower precedence than power, so first we have to pop this dollar and add it into postfix expression, and then pop this dollar and push it into postfix expression. Now we have plus and minus. Both have same precedence. We cannot push minus over plus. So first we have to pop plus, then we have to push minus into the stack. Here we perform 3 times pop operation. First this dollar will popped out, then this dollar and this, then plus will be popped out. Now we compare minus and open bracket. Minus have higher precedence than open bracket, so we push into stack. Next input symbol is 5, which is an operand. We have to add it into postfix expression. Then division. Division has higher precedence than subtraction, so we push division into the stack. Now next input symbol is 2, which is an operand. We have to add it into postfix expression. Then plus. We compare plus with division. As division has higher precedence than plus, so we cannot push plus over division. So first we have to pop slash from the stack and add it into postfix expression. Now we compare plus and minus. Both have same precedence, so we cannot push plus over minus. First we have to pop minus from the stack and then push plus into the stack. Next input symbol is 4, which is an operand. We have to add it into postfix expression. Now next input symbol is multiplication. In a stack we have plus and multiplication has higher precedence than plus, so we can push multiplication into stack. Next input symbol is 3, which is an operand. We have to add it into postfix expression. Now finally we get an closing bracket, so we will pop operators from stack one by one till I get the open bracket. Now this open bracket will be cancelled out with the closing bracket. Now the stack is empty, so finally we get the output. This is the required postfix expression of given infix expression, which is 5323 $$ plus 52 slash minus 43 star plus. In next video we will see algorithm for conversion of infix to postfix expression using stack. Thank you.